You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Folks, today, Little Lady and I are here at V-Dog's, especially hot dog place. Let's check it out. Noisy out here. Yeah, nice and clean. Place looks good. I got a drive-through window, and here's the hot dogs that they offer. What did I order? I ordered, of course, forgot to show you this one. I got the pizza dog. Little lady's getting the firehouse. Maybe we'll share with each other. And also we got a Coke. In the back you see some pinball machines. A little bit of a Miss Pac-Man. Let's check out the restroom if we can find it. Oh, here we go. There's a light. There we go. Oh yeah. All the necessities needed, and if you want to sit there before you wipe, you can just take a mint and pop it in your mouth. Yes, make sure you wash your hands though. Restroom gets a score, a grade of A+.
What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Get nerves. What's he doing now? What's he thinking?
Let's look at what we got here. Little lady's got the, what was that, firehouse? Open yours up, little lady. Oh wow, looks kind of different. She's gonna try it. And I got the pizza dog. Oh yeah, looks like pizza on a dog. Amen. The lady just took the first bite out of her fire dog. What is it, fire dog or firehouse? Yeah, hers is the firehouse. I got the pizza dog. Limited time of availability. Here we go. Little lady just signaled the thumbs up to me. That is oddly good. You know, I do like pizza though. Little lady's making a mess. Yeah, that's good. Very nice for a hot dog. Hot dog has a snap, like it's a Kogel's hot dog, I'm pretty sure. The pizza sauce is actually from Randall's Pizza. Remember Randall's Pizza? There we go. Yeah. Nice. I might have to get something else. We'll get a different one. Okay, so the hot dog, that's Kogel's, right?
It is Kogel's.
So his, I could tell by the snap. How you doing, sir?
Good, how you doing?
Great. I do food reviews and stuff. I'm a retired Navy cook, so
Cool.
I do it on YouTube. Get a little bit of money for it, but
Appreciate it.
yeah. And you're the mayor of Davison. Wow. I live in Davison Township, so
Oh, okay.
different. We don't have a mayor.
Thank you.
I'm gonna get something else.
Okay.
Randall's spaghetti pizza sauce is good.
It is very
I did a review there too, and his pizza's really good.
It is.
That's what
He got one Saturday when he picked up the sauce.
I normally do pizza. I do a lot of pizza. I make a lot of pizza too. So.
Okay, nice.
All right, let's go with so many choices.
I know it.
How about the steep south?
Okay. Hello, how are you? Good.
You're watching the Paulie Detmer's channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
I got a message for you. He emailed me, he said that Paul Rose Caruso for
Okay, so here's the deep south hot dog. It's got coleslaw on it. And we'll give it a try. Doesn't look like much of anything, does it? But let's give it a try. Interesting slaw, finely chopped. Not too messy, believe it or not. Yeah, very good. Sure.
Was it good?
What was on? What was on coleslaw and what else?
Coleslaw, mustard, onion.
Say it again. Mustard. And,
Mustard, onion, yep. Coleslaw, mustard, onion.
okay. Good. But I like the pizza one better. Of course. Maybe they'll let us get a look at the operation.
I like mine.
Little lady likes her. Can I get a shot of this?
Oh, absolutely.
All right, here's behind the scenes, folks. And this is all the ingredients. Everything's nice and clean. Ongoing cleaning as you go. That's always a great thing to see. And there is the back room with the deep sink and ice machine and refrigerators. So the question is, will we come here again? Heck yeah, very good. We'll come back.